What's up, guys? Today we're working on my 96 Grand Cherokee again. If you guys are Jeep guys, thanks for coming back to the channel. I have plenty of Jeep content. I also have an 05 Grand Cherokee. So I've been having problems with this thing forever with my headlight switch. The dimmer, you used to like wiggle it and like it would work, but now it annoyed me, and I also found another interesting problem. Let's go check it out. Alright, so you see my turn signals on and my headlights are on. Now my headlights are off. On, off. You can see there's some kind of resistance that makes that get all funny. And also the dimmer switch is just annoying. So I bought one, I think I bought it off eBay or Amazon. It was like $30, $40-ish, somewhere in there. So I'll show you how to change that. It's a pretty easy process. Alright, so step one is going to be getting this trim piece out of the way. It just pops right out. You just need to get a little bit of leverage on it. There we go. And then it's got screw here, here, and there. So I'm gonna have to remove this so I can get to that, and I'm gonna have to just loosen this and see if we can get in there for that one. Alright, so you want to take out your trim for your cluster. I have it all loose. Just put a screwdriver in the top there, and then sometimes it's a little tricky. Stuck on the other side. There we go. Now you do have to take off the trim from the other side of the dash on the other side of it. So the same spot but on the other side of the steering column. And this thing has screws all through the top. And then it has a couple here on the bottom as well. So just make sure you get all those out. Alright, so then there's a screw here and a screw right on the other side. And then there's also a screw right down here inside the door. And if you get those three off, you'll have enough room to get down. So then you can finally get to your headlight switch bolts. And then once you get that out, you can now get to your wire harness and unclip it. Alright, then you can unclip it. You just pull back on that little tab and it'll slip right out. And my nice new Chinese one can go right in its place. Oh, sorry about that. I had the lights turned on. So we'll slip this back into place, and now you just have to get her reassembled. Alright, so I got all that fixed up. I got all that put in, and then I just have to put this last trim panel in. Like so. Just pops right in. And we're done. Let's see if it does the weird turn signal thing that it used to. So, oh no. Still does it. Well, looks like it still does the weird turn signal thing, so it must not have been headlight switch related, but that's fine, because like I said, the dimmer switch was really what was annoying. Just hoping to kill two birds with one stone. So you can clearly see all these screws, guys. This is very simple. You should be able to do it at home with a screwdriver. I had a fancy mini impact, but screwdriver will do just fine. So I hope this helped you. And we'll see you on the next video. If you have a Jeep, thanks for being part of Jeep Nation. Hit that like button, comment for any questions. We'll catch you later.